I would like to understand from you the Alpha foray into AFB project.
All right, as you can see here, we have a large range of AFE related projects. In fact, we are possibly one company in India which is very closely working with the DGMF for all AFB, tanks, BMPs related projects, and also are doing a whole lot of fitment and integration onto the life systems in the field. So amongst the various projects that we have, of course, is TSAS upgrade, TIFCS we've just finished and delivered. We have also proposed a BMP upgrade where the TIFCS components are the main building blocks. They are going to be fitted and it will help the mechanized forces tremendously. Apart from that, we are also giving a third generation TI sight for the T90 and the T72 tank. We have a SimFire solution available with us, as also we have a AMAD solution, that is an anti-magnetic mine actuation device solution with our partners.
Sir, as an Indian company, I would like to understand your views on the Make in India program of the Government of India.
It's really no-brainer that Make in India program is a wonderful concept that we have, and it's been spearheaded very well. We have benefited a lot, and so have the other industries, other firms or our colleagues in the industries. Because of this, we are definitely getting much more orders and more emphasis in getting the orders, and in a way, it has vitalized the industry.
How about the payment process? Has it become faster?
I don't think we have reached that level as yet. In fact, projects are moving all right, but you know the fructification will take time, and possibly the payments are also linked to that.
So what are the future plans? Which programs are you targeting? Which technology areas are you aiming at in terms of research and development? And which projects are you targeting as a company?
All right, there is actually a wide range of products that we are targeting, and technologies as well. If you can have a look around our stall, you'll be able to make out. Starting from right behind me, we have the laser target designators for the infantry. We are making this. We've got the SDRs. We have got the ULSB Mark III. And then we have, as I mentioned earlier, SimFire, anti-magnetic mine actuating device. These are all certain technologies. These are niche technologies which we are addressing. Also, we have moved into the ISRO, the space segment, with the support of ISRO, of course, and we are doing some good work there too.
Sir, what about exports? How is Alpha looking at exporting these niche technologies to countries who are, behind us?
It's very commonly known that no defense company can exist without exports. Exports is a major factor, and in fact, we in Alpha believe that the exports normally amounts to about 60 to 70% of a company's revenue, and we are targeting it accordingly.
Thank you very much for your time. We wish you very good luck, sir.
Thank you so very much.